initial access broker. We see adverts like this all the time. These are typically broken down in the same sort of way. So I'll just talk you through the top bit. So what type of industry are we looking at? So here it says bank access. They're going to give an idea of the revenue of the company. Typically, we see ransomware operators pick up these initial access, and they want to know what their return on investment is going to be, right? So they're trying to look for what the revenue is. This revenue is pretty big, like the gap between it, like 7 billion gap. That's significant. Usually when we see these, they are a bit more on the money. I think this is a little bit of a hat tip to the finance industry as a whole for being on it when it comes to security. They're trying to obscure who that victim might be a little bit more. The middle bit, what type of access you're going to get if you buy this. So you're going to get domain admin via RDP, and they also give you a bit more information around the technology inside of the enterprise itself. So ESXi, vSphere, and Veeam. So they're reliant on virtual machines, and Veeam is going to be the backup system. So if you are an attacker, you know what you're working with before you even set foot in the environment. And the final bit down there is the bidding process. So start, step, and blitz. So we are going to start with a bid of 15 Bitcoin. If I want to outbid the previous bidder, I need to increase my bid by at least 1 Bitcoin. And then the buy it now, the blitz price is 20 Bitcoin. I think back in 2022, when this all kind of went up, 20 Bitcoin was like close to $400,000. So it's a significant amount to pay for this initial access. Hence, they want to know what their potential return on investment is going to be. So you can start to use all of this stuff and go pivot through your environment. Try and work out if you fit the profile for this. Understand where someone might have RDP access into your environment. Look for those domain admin credentials being leveraged in a malicious way. They're all potential mitigations and detections you can put in place. Great idea for starting threat hunting and all those sort of things, even tabletop exercises.